Hello, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for a YouTube TV free trial. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply open your browser, then just simply search YouTube TV. After that, open the first link. Then on the main home page over here, all you have to do is just simply click on try it free right over here at the very top. Click on it. After that, you have to choose any one of your Google accounts. Once you will do that, you will be redirected to the main home page of YouTube TV. Over here, you have to click on start free trial. After that, over here you have to choose a plan that you would like. Like say for example, you will find the base plan over here. You can see all the channels included in the base plan by clicking on this option. Then all the channels in the base plan will be available right over here. Or you can also choose different type of plans, like for example this one. And after choosing your plan, all you have to do is just click on next at the very bottom. And as you can see, it is written due $0 right over here. And then after that, you can customize your plan that you just chose. So just simply pick whatever you want over here. Like say for example, these ones. This for example. Now once you have picked your desired channels, just simply click on the next and go to the checkout page. But before that, make sure whichever extra plan that you will choose, you should have a 7-day free trial written on top of it. Because if it is not written on top of it, you will have to pay some amount of fees. So make sure to choose free trial ones, as you can see right over here. Then click on checkout, and then right over here, as you can see, this is a complete invoice, and the total price that you have to pay is completely $0. But in order to complete the transaction, you will need to add your debit card or credit card or any type of payment method that you have. Then just simply click on start membership, and it won't cut any type of payment from your account. But there are a few regions where there might be a $1 transaction from your account, so that is also a possibility. So just simply keep that in mind. But after that, once you click on start membership, your plan will begin and you will be able to use YouTube TV for free for a total of 7 days. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.